All right, so here's all the molds I've made. So I did the headlights, put clay on the back part, which I didn't want molded. I really just want the front. So I dipped it in there. I'll show you some still pictures as we go along, but these are the headlights. Did the same thing for the front bumper. Again, made a little mold. And for the rear bumper. So the only thing I had left to do was to get the lower part of the bumper, which is attached to the chassis, which I've come up with this crazy idea. You can see I've got the front piece in here. But yeah, I just made a little box, rubber band the car to it, made an L bracket, clamped it on, and I lowered it to the point where I needed to, and I poured the silicone into this little box. So there's the front bumper. I did the back one last night, the rear bumper. This is the bottom half. It's a very teeny hole. So I think when I go to pour the plastic in, I'm going to open this up and then just inject some plastic into here, and we'll let that seal. But you know, this is ready to come off. And you can see it's the front end is embedded in, but it should be real easy to take out. So it should just almost release right out. There you go. So yeah, so that was just to get this little piece of the bumper. And I've got all my parts done now. So there's 5 pieces I had to take apart. The only thing left now is to do the body, which I've now filled with clay, following Shotgun Dave's instructions, his video. I've built a little base for it to sit on here, and I'm going to go mix up some silicone, and I've got the hole cut in the top. So this is where I stand next. So let me mix some silicone up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, well, I've mixed up some silicone. I only have these 600, whatever the heck the 600 stands for, cups, nothing bigger. So if I have to mix up a second batch, I will, but here we go. Like Dave says, you pour it on slowly. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to probably do 3 of these, but that's okay. He also said that silicone will stick to silicone, so if I need to mix up another batch, that'll be fine. Sorry if my big hands are in your way. Looks like I could probably have done a better job of mixing, as I'm seeing some streaking in here. Hopefully this will work. All right, well, I'm going to mix up another another 600. Like I said, I don't know what the measurements are, what they're equal to, but I did 250 of part A, 250 of part B. I got the 500. I think I'm going to do, probably based on how much I got, I'll do the same. And we'll come back and continue this pour. Okay, so I got another batch of silicone mixed. We're going to continue this pour. Hopefully this will be all I need. If not, I'll mix more. Bye-bye, car. See you tomorrow. Well, it looks like I'm going to need some more. This is not even covering the car yet. So I think another 500 will be the ticket. I could just see the outline. So I'll do another 500 more. So we're not quite thick enough yet. Alright guys, I didn't bring you back for the final pour. I mean, it was the same old. But here it is. It's sitting now. It's going to sit I'll let it sit overnight, and I'll take it out tomorrow. And then I'll have to remove the clay and do the plug piece, but we'll see if I'll record all that. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.